So today I'm going to talk about the trade that I took. It's Monday, the 27th of October, and yeah, we're going to make some analysis for the day. So moving into the market, we're looking at sales. Price has been very bearish on gold recently. Massive retracements and a breaking of key levels or swing lows, basically indicating to me that we're looking for shorts. There's also no news today, so it's kind of a clean trading day. So we have the levels that are marked out. So here we made a massive break below these lows, these lows, these lows, below these lows. So all of these lows we've broken, and we're consolidating in this range. We couldn't break any further lows. We have this massive wick. Price comes down, can't take out the lows of the wick. Comes back up to these levels up here. So we're not breaking any swing highs or any swing lows. We're just consolidating. So consolidating. I was looking at this level here. So I was looking at this level here. Because here we had previous buying pressure. Moving into the market open, we have price going lower and lower. And price really opened on a much lower level actually, but that's on Sunday I believe. So yeah, so price keeps breaking lower and lower. So here we have this level of buyers. This is resistance that is now turned into selling pressure. Why is this? If you look on the hourly, it caused this massive move up. Now if price breaks that level and closes below, this level now becomes a pressure for sellers to kick into the market. This is what ICC teaches, was what Sai teaches in his ICC course. So here we can see price breaks below here on the 15-minute, keeps going. This is another level that I marked out, but this is the main level, this is where I took my trade. Price goes down, comes in, taps into this area again. Why? So it can take liquidity, or not take liquidity, but use it as selling pressure to drive the market down. Now, what did I do wrong? Okay, I analyzed everything right. I waited for price to become below this level to take my trade. I put my stop loss above this level, or I actually put my stop loss around this black line. I risked 10% of my account, or maybe a little bit more, I think 11. But yeah, so here I had my stop around here. This is because at this level price was unpredictable and bulls kick into the market here. So here we can see went up, price tapped in, went up, price tapped in, went up. So that's where my stops were. And I was targeting, to be honest, I was targeting these lows here, so 40.11. But I was a little, so during this trade, I want to flip the camera. I can't flip the camera, frick. But during this trade, I'll just do this. So during this trade, I was working. So I work 9 to 5 or 8 to 5, whatever. And I was very hands-on in my work. Today was a bit of a busy work day. I know this shouldn't be an excuse because I should take my trade and get off the market, but I was trying to stay looking at my phone and things like that while I was also doing things, and it would just become mental clutter. So I exited my position early because I made a quick, spontaneous decision while looking at my MetaTrader. So I was looking at my MetaTrader, the price was moving in my direction, tapped into the zone, tapped into the selling pressure, price kept going down. Then I saw one, I think 5-minute, and it wasn't even completed, it was a 5-minute bullish, and it was like a big wick to the downside. It was a bullish candlestick on my MetaTrader, and after that I was like, oh, price has gone as low as it can. I was up quite a lot. I think I was up almost 1 to 2, and which is not good, to be honest. I used to be honest, I've hit crazy moves. I hit 1 to 10s, 1 to 15s. I mean, last week I hit like a crazy, like 1 to 20 something, 1 to 21. I held it for a long time and I just forgot about it. But this trade was just playing with my mind because I'm at work and I'm thinking, shit. There's like, should I be looking at it hit one of my notifications on TradingView, and I need to get better at setting my notifications for TradingView as well, for where I put price notifications at, because I kind of cheat where I put them into somewhere where I know it's going to hit, so I can give myself a reason to get back on the chart when I shouldn't. I should put it at somewhere where I know there's a risk where market is going to actually change. It's found a key level of sellers. And that's something I need to start doing, getting used to that, staying on a higher time frame. If I stayed into the higher time frame, I could have maximized my profits easily to at least like 1 to 6, 1 to 5. I could have made it 1 to 5. But I stayed undisciplined, and I managed to take out not even 1.2. It's a 1.5, 1 to 1.5. because I got scared of a little bullish. You can't see it here because it's not a MetaTrader, it's a different chart to MetaTrader, but there was like a bullish candle forming and I was like, shit, I'm scared. And then I took and then I leave my trade and yeah, I think it was this one here, this bullish candle. I see this bullish candle form, I'm like, and I see this doji, or I see this like price is indecisive in this candlestick, and I take my trade out. If I just kept my position and stayed on the high time frame, which I should be doing, here, at that point, we had price breakdown, came down, taps in, comes down, and the next area of liquidity, to be honest, it's a bit techie, I'll be honest, but probably around here, these levels here. And yeah, like if I just if I just held it like here, so 1 to 5, here 1 to 5.5. So to be honest, it's one of those things. I just need to get a better hold of my trades. I just need to be comfortable, and to be honest, I could still hold this trade. And it's what I'm looking at for tomorrow. Is for price to again break swing high, bring a swing low. So here we have a swing high, here we have a swing low. See what price does and where it moves. And yeah, that's my thing. Key takeaway is made very good analysis. You wait to take your trade. You took your trade. You did have a lot of fear of missing out. I did want to enter. I wanted to enter another position and another position. Stick to one trade. I need to wait for my session. I'm trying to trade before session. The main move happens at session. And so if just get on the chart at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. That's when I should get on the chart and just wait. So that's what I need to do. Trading session, trust it, make it simple. Don't add all these variables. And yeah, that's about it, I think. Just fucking probably shit camera view right now, but yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, hold your profits, mark key levels, let price run, maximize your profits. Yeah, bro, that's the lessons for today. But I did make good analysis. I waited for price to hit the region and it reacted well, and yeah, bro, that was good. I'm happy about that. Every day 1% better.